Hey, what's up mga kapatid? So today, let's break down a super relevant Bible verse from Matthew chapter 5 verse 13 to 16. And trust me, makaka-relate kayo dito. Okay, so Jesus said this, "You are the salt of the earth." Think about it mga kapatid, no? Salt, as in, it gives flavor, right? It also like prevents things from going bad and tasting bad. So theologian says that this means that we were supposed to be the ones keeping things real, fighting against all the bad things in the world. And get this, if salt loses its saltiness, wala na, deads na, useless. So we gotta keep our spark and our authenticity. Then he hit us with, you are the light of the world. Hello, social media generation na tayo, di ba? Ibig sabihin, it meant to be seen. We are meant to be seen. Like a city on a hill, di ba? Dapat obvious. You are a lamp. You don't hide under sa Tupperware or put it on display so that everyone can see. Our faith, it's not meant to be private account. It meant to shine and for real. Dapat totoo. So how does this apply no sa buhay natin no kung nasaan ka man ngayon, di ba? Being the salt, it's about keeping it 100% real. Being real in our relationship, in our work, in online job, standing up for what is right, even if nakaka-stress. It's about bringing that good vibe and preventing things from being too or getting too toxic. So being the light naman, it's about showing our true colors. Walang filter. Living in the way that people see something different in us. And verse 16 says, let your light shine before others so that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. So our good actions, they're like our feet. They show people that what we were about. And it should point them not to us being superhero but to God being awesome. So we are not meant to be basic. You know, we were meant to be the salt and light, making a real impact in our own way. So let's think about ngayon, no? Ngayong araw na to na narinig mo ito, no? How can we be more salty and more light in our everyday life? So let's make it happen. Thanks for tuning in mga kapatid. Catch you on the next one. God bless.